मुखेल मंत्रीन सांगलें की खड्डे सगळे बंद जाल्ले आतां आनी एकलो खड्डो आहा तोय 15-20 दीस म्हूण म्हणटालो की हे जातलें मो काबार म्हण हे खड्डे केन्ना हे बंद जातले केन्ना बाबा रस्ते सारके लोकांक मेळटले रोड एक्सिडेंट the way people are losing their lives day in day out like mosquitoes people are dying the black spots are not being identified across the highways there is no medical facilities 108s have failed the जे पेट्रोलिंग ट्रॅफिक पेट्रोलिंग जावपाक जाय ते सारखे जायना लोक मरत आसा and they are just blaming people saying that they are drunk and drive rather than that whether it is engineering whether it is bad roads whether हे खड्डे जे पडलेले आसा हे जायत आसा playing with the lives of the people everything seems to be unsafe right from the shacks right to the our social harmony आणि हो प्रश्न म्हाका दिसता साधारण tourism is the only industry today that has some scope for goans to get employment to get some sort of funding आज आणि एक मेन मुद्दो जो आम्ही ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नरा मुखार मांडलेलो आसा इज अबाउट द देर इज नो ट्रान्सपेरन्सी टू द रायट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट दादागिरी चल्लेली आसा नो इन्फॉर्मेशन इज बींग गिवन दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज कंटिन्यू यू गोइंग टू अपील आणि हो प्रोसिजर म्हाका दिसता जे आमचे काँग्रेस सरकारान हो कायदो हाडिल्लो हो कायदो हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता तेजें डायल्युशन जाता दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन गिवींग इन्फॉर्मेशन टू एनी प्रेस बाव NGO एक्टिविस्ट एनीवन आज हे चोयल्यार देर इज अ ब्रेकडावन इन द डबल इंजिन देर इज अ पॉलिसी क्रायसिस आणि देर ऑल्सो सीम्स टू बी अ फेलियर in the Panchayat Raj institution, in the way land seems to be the main issue in the state of Goa, where every minister, every department seems to be looking at basically land important department are wholesale in the under the disguise of private universities, under the disguise of other several projects. ये लँड पण आमगेले आमची जे गिरेस्तकाय आहा हे पाड घालपाक हो सरकार मुखार सरलेलो आसा आमचे गोवाज आयडेंटिटी इज इन अ क्रायसिस You can see a classic case today of unplanned decision. Today, a meeting was called for the formation of the 3rd district. And when we asked about the report that had to be given to us, this report, we asked for the same report that was of November 23rd. Or report आम्ही मागलेलो विधानसभेन आमकां तो टेबल करचो आमकां तो स्टडी करपाक जाय आजूय सुरवातेक आम्ही प्रश्न मांडले की आमकां वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट 3rd district. पण what is the feasibility? Whether it is going to have any financial constraint on the state of Goa, to what extent, whether there is pendency, what will be the effect of it, which are the places, what is the population, what is the census, which are the number of schools, all these things. But दोतरान कित केला दोतरान आज एक ऑपरेशन केला म्हणजे भुरग्यांक जेन्ना गायनेक एक दोतोर कोण कोता ऑपरेशन कोता भुरग्यांक जोल्माक हाडपाचो प्रयत्न केला उंगरी दिनासतना ऑपरेशन केला उंगरी दिवपाचें पल्स चेक करपाचो ब्लड टेस्ट करपाचें ओटी सारकें हो कितें एनिस्थेटिस्ट आसपाक जाय सेवरल सगळें आसपाक जाय पूण दोतोर कितें करता एकलो आपुणूच ओटी ऑपरेशन करूं म्हणून भायल्यांक विदाउट एनी टॉट सो वी टोल्ड हिम वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट यू फॉर्मिंग अ 3rd district but we have the right to study and the report on what and why is the 3rd district required. What is its implication on the other 2 districts? So without that, just shortcut करपाक कित्याक फाल्यांचो दीस लास्ट आसा फाल्यांचो लिस्ट सेन्सस 2011चो लास्ट आसा सो तें करपाक तेणें आज ही बिस्ती फॉर्मेलिटीज एक आज ही आमकां आपोवन हाडलेले थिंगा सो वी सेड दॅट यू कायंडली इमिजिएटली गिव अस द रिपोर्ट so that we can study. So such type of decisions have been taken. We have no faith on this government led by Dr. Pramod Sawant because if such type of decisions and this is something that will be binding on generations to come, it will have political implications, it will have financial implications, it can have imbalance within the population. So all these factors without studying, they are gai korun are under trying to form a new district. So this shows their vision of this BJP government. That last minute they are trying to do this type of this. It's a complete mismanagement.